First contact. Some useful expressions for beginners. Hello, what's your name? My name is Mohammed. And you? My name is Dris. How old are you? I'm 26 years old. What about you? I'm 34 years old. Where are you from? I'm from Morocco. And you? I'm Egyptian, and my home city is Cairo. What do you do for a living? I'm a lawyer. What about you? I'm a journalist. What languages do you speak? I speak Arabic, French, and English. What are your hobbies? My favorite hobby is chess. Nice to meet you. Happy to see you. Glad to talk to you.